Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
Today we are going to discuss, will a high-ticket offer work for your business? Business is a game of margins, not volume, especially the expert business. We're not Amazon and we're not Walmart, right? We're not going after volume. When it comes to scaling your business, without high-ticket offers, it's very, very difficult because there's not enough profits for us to scale. So the business that we're in, how do we take what's in here, the intangible, the invisible, and make it tangible and make it visible? How do we package what we know, our know-how, our expertise, our skills, our knowledge into some sort of format and then deliver that to our audience, deliver that to the marketplace, and other people would benefit from it? Let me walk you through the high-ticket math. If you're selling something for $1 to make $1 million, you need to sell 1 million units. Now, 1 million units, that's a lot of people. That means 1 million customers. Do you understand? Now, let's say you want to sell something for $10. You only need 100,000 customers to hit $1 million, right? Let's say you sell something for $100, then you only need 10,000 customers. If you sell something for $1,000 to make $1 million, you only need 1,000 customers. And if you sell something for $10,000, you only need 100 customers. If you sell something for $100,000, you only need 10 customers. And if you sell something for $1 million, you only need 1. I'm not saying you're going to charge $1 million for what you do. Maybe you could. But what I've learned is this: it doesn't take more effort to add a zero to your offer. It doesn't take more effort to charge 10 times more money. In fact, in some cases, when you know how to do it, it takes less effort. It doesn't take more effort to sell a program for $10,000 versus $1,000. Because now you have the margins. Now you could advertise more. You could be on social media more. You can create more content. You can run more ads. You could be on more channels. Let me teach you the high-ticket pyramid. Let me teach you my definition of high-ticket. Anything that's from $0 to $1,000, I define that as low-ticket offers. Anything between $1,000 to $10,000, that is mid-ticket offers. Anything between $10,000 to $100,000, I call that high-ticket offers. Anything from $100,000 to $1 million and beyond, that's ultra high ticket. Maybe you're selling a yacht. Maybe you're selling real estate. Maybe you are selling a private jet. That's ultra high ticket, and it doesn't take more effort. As long as you're solving a significant problem for your prospects, they will pay high ticket for what you do. If you are teaching people how to save money on paper clips, well, you're not going to have a tough time asking and selling high ticket. But if you're solving one of the 3 major problems people have in their lives, you could charge high ticket. Number 1, money. Number 2, health. Number 3, relationship. That means if what you offer helps people to make money, save money, improve efficiency, build their team, attract clients. If you help them improve their health, their relationship, their sex lives, you could charge high ticket for it. Because those 3 things as a human being, those are the major things that we are willing to pay high ticket for. So, can you add high ticket to your business? If it's one of the big 3s, the answer is yes. And that's what the High Ticket Expert Show is all about. Go back and listen to our previous episodes. I know you'll find tremendous value in them. And join us at our upcoming events and call our office 833-432-6565. Until then, go high ticket.